They're a Richmond-based home medical equipment and supplies company, making it easier for you to stay comfortable at home. Wayne Sale, president of Health First, joins us this morning with a lot of things that you guys offer. Wayne, thanks for coming in.
Yeah, thanks for having us here.
This is a big step, and we were talking before you came out a little bit about how you got started, but let's take a step back and let's share with everyone, what is Health First?
Health First is a home oxygen therapy and medical equipment company. Started about 28 years ago to try and keep people at home and save some money and keep them out of the hospital.
And it was very progressive and still a really great idea to be able to make people comfortable at home, and it kind of was from an idea of your experience.
Yeah, I was a therapist in a hospital for many years and saw the same patients over and over. Every 3 months they'd come in. And as I talked to them, I found that they were doing nothing to stop the progress of their chronic disease. It could have been emphysema or congestive heart failure. And so I started this program to help keep them out of the hospital, manage their disease process, and live longer and enjoy life.
And a lot of the folks that you're working with who are using these machines and different equipment that you offer may not have even realized it was available or how easily it could be made available for them.
Well, usually their physician will prescribe either the oxygen or the medical equipment, much like you would drugs. He writes a prescription for it and gives it to you, and when you need that, you call our company, Health First, and we will supply that. We'll fill that prescription, and Medicare will pay 80% of the cost of that, and most insurance policies will pay a large percent of the cost.
So it is a pretty familiar scenario. Most people are comfortable with the idea of getting a prescription, going to the pharmacy and having that filled, and in the same way, this is just a different type of remedy.
Right. It's regulated by the Board of Pharmacy, and it acts exactly the same way. It's not hard. You just need to have a prescription, and the insurance company will ask for a medical necessity. They want to make sure you really need this, and there are processes, but the process starts with a prescription from your physician.
Do you feel that people get a little overwhelmed through the process of paperwork and insurance and that sort of thing?
Yeah, it is overwhelming. Healthcare is a very complicated issue. And we have a staff that helps guide you through that process. We take care of the billing. We lead you to the equipment you need and teach you how to use it. Education is a real important part of managing chronic disease. And we do the billing for you. And if you need anything else, you call us and we make sure that you get it. If we don't have it, one of the other partners will step in and help.
I visited the website, and there's a wonderful introduction from you right when you get to the main page, but it's really, really informative, and that makes a huge difference, making that information available when people are starting to first explore this and have those questions.
Right. We need educated consumers to take better care of themselves. The health care system can't take care of us. We need to take care of ourselves. And in the home care setting, where care is less expensive and more effective, education is a key importance in effectively dealing with it.
Mm-hmm. Families getting started with this, what's your advice?
First, see your doctor. Make sure your diagnosis is something that he wants to treat in a chronic manner, treat you at home. Then he will give you a prescription, or you can ask his office to call our office, and we'll work getting you the equipment that you need.
And it's so beneficial if you have the opportunity to be able to utilize these things at home, because you stay on a regular path.
Right. And more people are using this. So if you're a bit shy about using any of the medical equipment, look around you. You'll see a lot of people out in grocery stores and shopping. They've got their oxygen cannula on, or they could be fishing or playing golf, but they're living. Mm-hmm. And that's what we want to accomplish, more life in our patient population. You don't have to give in to the disease. Fight it, and we'll help.
And you have a great team you want to say hello to.
Yes. I wanted to say hi to the staff at Health First. I know they're working hard. Keep up the good job, guys. And I wanted to thank Partners in Healthcare for giving me and other businesses the opportunity to speak to your viewing audience and help them make decisions that will make them better.
Partners in Healthcare has been a fantastic partner, hence the name.
They have,
and super informative. It's really a great thing. So thanks so much, Wayne. We appreciate you coming in today too.
I'm glad to be here.
We'll let everybody know how to get in touch with you.
All right.
Put your health first with one of your partners in healthcare. Call 804-266-2002 or 804-673-6500. We did include both of those phone numbers. You can visit online anytime, healthfirstmed.com. It's a great website. Cheryl and Greg will send it your way.